Hello, guys. Sorry if that's something was just happened. And welcome to Robloc. Um, basically today we're going to be playing Roblox for the first time. Seizure. Don't ask. Well, I was thinking I was going to play Build a Boat for Treasure. So let's do this. Okay. Whoa, footsteps. You're slow. Whoa, why are the birds chirping? How is this disturbing? Oh, well then. I'm just trying to make a good boat. Wow. Wow. How good. Great boat. You know, yourselves with questionable advance. Okay, then I'm going to check out his channel. Buying a freaking rocket ship. What? Chill. Chill. I'm a ghost. I'm a ghost. It's copyrighted music. This is copyright. Ow. Copyrighted music. Well then. Oh, who's that? Everybody else see that guy in the background with a giant. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. You okay there? I don't think it's okay. Ah! How am I okay? Oh, that sucked. That was bad. Okay, let's see what you get the chest. Oh, will be a ball. Oh, well, that's not. Just like this. What? What am I saying? This is bad. Leave it. Oh gosh, no, please, no, never. I will never do this. Awkward silence. Oh, let's play Ragdoll Engine. Or even better, let's play Camping. 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 Oh, I think I just broke my phone. Oh, then. Oh, why my hands are small? Please stop game. Oh, jeez. They just left. Come on, everybody, hop on. Oh god, why is he wanting to hop off? Please stop. Are you coming to seizure? No, I think it's fine. Wait. One more, one more. I'm not doing this weekend. Go, let's go. Come on. Let's go. I know my way around. It doesn't let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Repent to the users. Again. Love me. Oh, well, the game just left me. Oh, jeez, we're moving. We're moving. Let's go through, let's get back. Let's sing our get back song. Let's come right in. Welcome to the cottage. I have you sleep here. I want to sleep here, please. Let me sleep here. I know what's gonna happen. I'm not dumb. What is that? I don't care about where the bathroom is. What is this? Some blocks in. Let me do the blocks in. Oh. Oh, it's like a speed boost. That's gonna help. Happy fun. Oh, my God, what's gonna happen now? Look away. Children, cover your eyes. It assumes we rain R for gore. There's something in there. Let's see, starting for something in there. Oh no, lights go off. That's scare. Oh jeez. Happy I don't have my volume on. Oh, I died. Whoa, I was right here against the wall. Nothing. I hate this one. You want to be like the first one to get to the campsite thing or whatever this is. Then you're safe. I'll sit here. I want to sleep here. Let me sleep here. What is this? This is some sort of for users again. RIP. Why are you going over there? Sit down. He's not listening. He gonna die. Sit. No. No. Please don't let this happen. What's happened? Please tell me I play that group. No. We're just being Fortnite gamer and cool kids. Oh jeez. I gotta be careful when I'm tapping that. Come on. Whew. That's the furthest I've ever survived. Now I don't know what's gonna happen. That was some awkward silence. Oh, come on, Fortnite gamer or Fortnite or whatever. Who just names himself Fortnite? This guy. Oh yeah, I said something. Where's Daniel? He had to use the bathroom. He should be back soon. Oh Jesus. Daniel died. Daniel died. Oh God. The closest I'm getting. I think we're gonna end this video here. No. I'm just joking. Oh, gosh. Where? Oh! Ah! Where did you get here, Dan? Another life. Hey. Leave. Leave. Well, I'm actually gonna end this video here. I'll see you guys next video. Oh my god. Subscribe. Just goodbye. Leave. Just leave. Just goodbye. Just leave.